Forget everything you thought you knew about modern off-roaders, because Toyota is about to change the game. The 2026 Land Cruiser FJ is rolling in, and it's carrying more excitement than anything in its class. Compact, rugged, and ready to conquer, this new FJ blends legendary toughness into a smaller, more accessible package. Despite the delays, anticipation is only growing stronger, and for good reason. Toyota first shipped the industry back in 2023 with a jaw-dropping teaser straight from the compact cruiser EV playbook. Fast forward, and the production-ready version holds nothing back. Measuring 177 inches long, it's proudly boxy, with tall ground clearance, aggressive tires, and a rear-mounted spare that screams backcountry beast. This is classic adventure styling, refined for a new generation. While many crossovers today are built more for the mall than the mountains, the new FJ takes a different path. It's expected to ride on a rugged ladder-frame chassis borrowed from the iconic Hilux Champ. That means real four-wheel drive hardware, a Torsen limited slip differential, and serious off-road underpinnings that beg for mud, rocks, and deep trails. It's not just a pretty face, it's the real deal. Toyota is keeping final engine specs under wraps for now, but the buzz points to a familiar heart, the 2.7-liter four-cylinder from the Hilux Champ. Producing 161 horsepower and 181 lb-ft of torque, it's built more for toughness than speed. A hybrid might join the lineup later, but expect the gasoline model to lead the charge. This setup guarantees reliability in the harshest conditions. Scheduled for an early 2026 launch worldwide, the pricing strategy is set to turn heads. In Japan, starting figures may hit as low as $26,600, and US buyers could see base models around $35,000. Fully loaded, the new FJ might climb to $45,000, still far cheaper than a traditional Land Cruiser. For those seeking serious off-road chops without breaking the bank, this is the golden ticket. The 2026 Land Cruiser FJ isn't just another SUV, it's a return to what made Toyota a dominant name off-road. Iconic looks, genuine capability, and a price that punches way above its weight make this an absolute standout. Whether you're chasing trails or planning your next wilderness escape, the FJ is built to deliver. Toyota didn't just revive an icon, they evolved it for a new era.